Hi, this is Jean from Cosmic Bills. For this video, I will show you the new features of Cosmic Bills. Now we have two options to process bills to Recon Hosted. The first option is async backend scanning, and the second option is the no need to approve post to Recon account hosted. So we will try the first option. Upload a bill. So once you receive the pop-up message, log out, and we will be sending you an email. Once you receive the email and it has been scanned successfully, go Cosmic Bills account and relog in. Now go to process 3 and post it to accounting system in step 4. And that's it. That's for the first option, which is the async back-end scanning. So let's try the second option. So let's go to the second option. So this option will process your bills by us and post it to your Recon account hosted data file. All you need to do is to just upload the bill. And wait for the pop-up message, and we will be sending you an email. After receiving this, just log out. Now check your email for the update of the scan. So if it has been scanned successfully, go to your Recon account and check for the document that you have uploaded. Now let's go to Recon and check for the scanned document. So as you can see, the uploaded document is now in Recon. So this is the document that we have uploaded. And that's it. That's for the second option, which is the no need to approve post to Recon account hosted. Thanks for watching.